Alright, to you troops and my subscribers. I'd love to tell you that I'm sorry that I didn't publish a video on a Sunday because I felt I felt as a bastard, like a fucking bastard. So it was I was that pain in my spine and my body, and I was horrible, man, horrible. Sorry, but instead of Sunday, I'm putting my video today, so I'm recording today. Of course, alright, for Glasgow Genuine and Celtic Dirty, with traffic on. Right, too, as usual. So, the day, that video will be a slightly shorter, because I'm planning to put another video on a Saturday, Sunday, I suppose, the Celtic match, some Celtic stuff. So that'll be on a Saturday, Sunday. So be another short video on this video as well. So here, Glasgow Genuine. It's going to start with a style called Glasgow Style. Do you know that one? It's another style I'm going to cover. It's Glasgow Style, and it's the Art Nouveau style, created in Macintosh. So Charlie Macintosh, of course. So, and then a wee bit of Glasgow banter explained, Glasgow comedy, and that. So let's get started. Put your traffic cones in. And if you go to Glasgow, as I mentioned, so let me tell you a wee bit Glasgow style and architecture of Glasgow style. So last time I covered as I remember Gothic styles. So if you didn't watch the video, there is the Anna. So Glasgow style it's a style that I should tell you that the early 1890s, that was a close-knit circle of 75 designers operated for Glasgow. So amongst them was Count Charles Macintosh, that's first, and the Margaret MacDonald's. So that's what I let her go to be the fantastic crew, but with the Brilliant style, their output known as the Glasgow style. So let's go to the city of Glasgow. That was the work had a far-reaching impact on the time. So while they continue to enjoy that worldwide interest in the appeal. So despite this, surprisingly, it was that little written material, formal research exists on the subject. So the Glasgow style, as it is, if there is your Glasgow Genuine, I'll tell you now. So it aims to provide a central hub of information on the subject and the key designers working the style and their output. So guidance provided typical features of house with the aim of providing great clarity around and the makes up antique designer of Glasgow style. So sorry, I'm a bit cold, but doesn't matter at all. Let's move on to Art Nouveau. It's kind of Glasgow style as well, because it's designed by Macintosh. So let me present to you some of the Art Nouveau style. It's a combination of Japanese and modernism Art Nouveau, and the influence that is vibrant Hampton always exerted on him, Charles Rennie Macintosh. So he designed the Glasgow style and the Art Nouveau styles. Charles Rennie Macintosh, as you know, is on the forefront of the history of Scottish architecture and Glasgow, man. They only have work-proofed Glasgow architect, so that's different for the renowned Glasgow style, Art Nouveau. But its influence European artistic movement, so as important was modernism, the British Art Nouveau alongside with that. So that's right, Margaret MacDonald. So I just know, I tell you that. I tell you that it's a bit Glasgow style. Glasgow style is a bit, I do something there. It's a combination of Japanese, modernism and Art Nouveau. It's a combination. So Glasgow style, we can call Japanism and the modernism and Art Nouveau. So it's a kind of branches of Glasgow style. So Art Nouveau is a branch of Glasgow Style. So plus the influence of this vibrant, haunting, always exerted on him, Charles Rennie Mackintosh, gave birth to a new, original form of architecture and design, the Glasgow Style. Art Nouveau/Art Nouveau mark a strong right angles and that lichen and the four floral motifs that the Mackintosh would stand by throughout his entire career. So, the new I'd love to present to you. Kind of examples. I just know what's in Glasgow style, Art Nouveau style. It's the example of architecture of Glasgow style, Art Nouveau. So first one is, I think you know, is a very famous one. So it's Glasgow School of Art, which still needs renovation after a big fire. So I think the government should think about the renovation of that fantastic, purely brilliant building. So it's you know, my heart is broken that hundreds of buildings in Glasgow, especially these that fantastic architecture. Historical buildings in Glasgow are neglected and just left for left the roads and left for the knockout for demolition. That one example which comes to my mind is that fantastic Caledonian church designed by Alexander Greig Thompson, another great Glasgow architect, at St Vincent Street, which is not probably where it is. So that church, designed in 1856, it's in poor state just now. It's dilapidated. It's hard to look at it, Caledonian Street Church, but Alexander Greig Thompson. So I think they should do some renovations to that church because it's pure dead brilliant, So let's move on to Glasgow School of Art. There was a great fire, and they're still it's in need of renovation. We should save that building. Glasgow School of Art is pure brilliant one. So that's an example of Glasgow style Art Nouveau. So sorry about my cough. It's my favorite Glasgow genuine. So I'd love to tell you that blending Art Nouveau, Japanese traditional Scottish decorative elements, Western, was like century Charles Rennie Mackintosh. So that's a building of the designer of Glasgow style. So that's the map, however. So the building ornamentation that set apart and the Rosevero of Mackintosh and the creative restraint put him up at this time. So next example of the Glasgow style // we traffic cone between it. Sorry. The Willow tea rooms. Willow tea rooms. So that one is at Sokehoshi. So the recreation of the one 1903 features the Mackintosh design furniture. So the bears just Art Nouveau geometry and the craftsmanship. So willow tea rooms, which currently being restored. It was per a series of successful eateries opened in Glasgow's famous Miss Cranston. So next example of the Art Nouveau and Glasgow style is House for Art Lover. It's situated in Belhouston Park, so it's that's that thought which came to my mind is that I'd love to there and film, but it's like that I have to get off that train at Ibrox, but I feel like cold there. I hate it, man. I hate it. Just it gives me a bug. Britain, zombie stuff and Ibrox. But I do my best and record there for you. So I go up there. So who's for Art Lover? Just visit us. I've been there once. It's really brilliant. The Bellhuisen Park is, I mean, so picturesque. To be honest, as you know, this house for us over, from Macintosh based concepts. The architect and his wife, so that was a Margaret MacDonald. That was submitted their plans to the house. So that German magazine something in 1901. So during the house end or something, art lovers house competition. So the entry partially like automatically disqualified, but it wasn't until 1989. So I was the house bear that Graham Roxburgh, a team for the Glasgow School of Art. Glasgow School of Art. You know what I mean? So Hell House is another example of the fantastic, pure brilliant Glasgow style and the Art Nouveau style. Hell House, you can find that Hell House in Seaside Helensburgh, a short drive for Glasgow's busy city centre. So, details of the Art Nouveau era house is the Macintosh and MacDonald. Next one is, I think, Queen's Cross Church. It's another example of the Glasgow style and Art Nouveau. Macintosh designed Queen's Cross Church around 1896. They were best described in Gothic with touches of Art Nouveau, say, mixed again. The more closely you examine this building, the more modern it seems. So, I mean, that was, actually no, another example of the Glasgow State Art Nouveau style is at Scotland Street School. It's hard to believe that the Scotland Street School was built in 1904, but the modern movement in architecture, specifically the house, which draw from Macintosh designs like this one. So, I mean, so you know what I mean, troops. You know. So, let me find another maybe examples, which I didn't tell you about. So that's the example of Art Nouveau and the Glasgow style. Something. Maybe I mentioned everything. So let me see. Is that let me check it out now. Alright. So then let me tell you the Glasgow banter. That's how I put my pure fucking brown traffic on it as a Glasgow genuine. I'm pure crazy and daft as well. So Glasgow comedy, as you know, Glasgow is the funniest city on the earth. The friendliest folk ever. The greatest banter ever. So there's never a dull moment in Glasgow, so there's always something happening in Glasgow, super seriously. No, but comedy, I mean, Glasgow banter, one of the best ones. So let me tell you something about that. As you know, you just get that easily, just get it. But Glasgow has a lot of Hanners, so great comedians, as you know, Billy Connolly, Janie Godley, other ones as well. So, but these ones are my favourite. Oh, and I also like Kevin Bridges as well. So, people who travel to another city, I mean, like London or something, they see what they lost. There's no humour as in Glasgow, so anywhere else. So Glasgow is the best when it comes to humour, man. There's something like wind up as well, so because Glaswegians are storytellers, as you know, and they tell you a story in a very, very, very serious manner. So this kind of wind up. Say they wind you up. So the Glaswegians tells you that tells you a story in a very serious manner, and he knows this isn't true. This is a funny, way bit funny. And then he tells you, I was just winding you up, so that's it as well. You should understand that Glasgow banter is the best ever. And I'm going to tell you that in a wee while, something that delicately, Glasgow is also a place. I'm pure the Baron City, but I mean Glasgow is as well a place where the comedy festival is in March. As Billy Connolly said, Glasgow deserves to have a comedy festival, an international comedy festival. It's the funniest city in the world, bar none. Every March one, seriously. So, Glasgow banter, the best ever. The best. I can always be passion yourself. All that stuff, So, Glasgow push your moods all the fucking time, troops. So, is a Glasgow genuine. I choose some of the jokes. So, Glasgow man goes to the dentist and settles down in the chair. Comfy, he says. Glasgow dentist, Gvan, she said. Bus driver, listen to that one. Bus driver, goes to the interview. And ask for would you get a rowdy passenger? I'll throw him off. He replied, very good. I said interviewing, which I didn't get that fair. The man replied the first 2 weeks in July instead. Another joke, the Glaswegian joke is, that's a cracker one. A pregnant girl once said that at midnight says, can you come and get me? I think my arm has broken. Okay, what are you ringing for? The man curls to my feet. Another joke is, I want to make Simeon scan a walking down Argyle Street. So that's about it. Got tinkering with engine of that car. So, what's up, Jimmy? Piston bolt broke. Aye, same as myself. Guess it comes in Baker's and asks them the pyre meringue. Baker says you are quite right, Paul. It's lemon pie. You want traffic on it? So, a Johnny at wig walking at a bar. Barman says, I'm not serving you. The wig asks, who no? The man on the price, because you're off your head. About your pals and steaming. What's wrong with Mickey Moose's helicopter? Disneyland. Sorry. Was Dick Crosby. See, Glasgow banter. It's fucking never. Love Disney. Bet bang things that love Disney. Disney. Bocuse in the field. Which one's in Holly? The ones that we cough. Gibbs and the chemist and then the white powder spell on the counter. What's that? He has the chemist that asks chemist replies. This is just the cracking me up as a wine. Gaps in library 425-ish. It's up on the counter. The Brayron replies to you, is that? Where are you? Man says sorry. Leans in, whispers, 2 fish sappers, please. Oh, did you fish say that Oldfield after bus? Oh, my gills. Butcher is not his shop that is super morning, just body, I'm just freezing. It's pure boating, man. So I sit in the radio, just warmed up. Man walks in and this is ice or bacon? The butcher says, no, I'm just trying to stay warm. Folk work for Glasgow. Life called themselves journalists. Why did Bacon have brown horns? It's because he needing jobby. Also, why does the Clyde? That's the cracker. Sorry if I pissed myself, but why does the Clyde run through Glasgow? How do you think that? Why does the Clyde run through Glasgow? Why is that? It might get stabbed if you walked. So Clyde ran through Glasgow. That's because, it might get stabbed if it walked. So, what did you call a Glaswegian superhero? Quality man. Sorry, man. And like Frankie Boy is just, we just be like a Scottish guy that's almost home. Hamish. What do you court? Tommy Sheridan. Or is that if his back is a court? Aim's about around his back yet. He walks in the cleaner and was about, hold on. The cleaner says, oh, Tommy, no game. That's got you into the trouble in the first place. Oh, how do you make a good all? But it was Ouija board. We traffic on there. Steal his breakfast and hide his jellies. You're about the only prisoner he wasn't himself. I'm breaking a worse. I've broken 99. Where are you ringing for? For my family, to my feet. After many years working criminal defence in Glasgow, that is the retire phone my most recently accused of robbery. So that's asking a proper line at 6. Just imagine a description that's post officer, if you remember, Amber's called that forward. Put this money in bag now. But can I just stop floating and said, no, what I actually said was. Takes the fare at Glasgow Airport. The customer address tunnels caramel log. Squeezes it in the back and fixing it. It says, George Square, please, man. Fixer says, no bother. How long have you been off your fare? How long have you been away fare? So policeman tries to bigger than the house and it's like a whole street. So that's him here at Ross Street to book him. What did you do that for? That's a culprit. Because I can't Ross Street. You thieving cunt. You thieving cunt. Hear about Glaswegian who found a trumpet growing a bottom of his garden. He had to root it out. To roll his shoe. And undone would be spraying out a tongue. This is Taiwan. 10 coos in a field. How do you know what choose on holiday? Is the one with a week off? What do you call a horse dangling after Kingston Bridge? No danger. Glasgow guy is passing and got a baker's and a scene. So the windy, all cakes £1. So he dives in, and the first case at display was at down this once. Otherwise, it goes to pay for a baker, says the bill. £2. I thought the case were £1. Aye, they are. But the one you've just and Madeira cake. Ooh, so you've never once wondered what you're like, mind boggling. If you why wasn't Jesus born in Glasgow? God couldn't find 3 wise men or a virgin. What's the difference between Patsy Kensit and Walt Disney? Patsy Kensit, Walt Disney. Disney. Sorry, man. Did you know? You know that Glasgow is pure fucking dead brilliant. It's if you love Glasgow changes up over the time. Well, traffic cones, just put your traffic cone. Hundreds of people do that. Putting the traffic cone and taking photos now as a Glasgow thing, you know. So just put that traffic cone in my traffic cone. So join me. I show us around. Yeah, that's traffic cone. So by the way. Yesterday, I celebrated the anniversary of my channel, Glasgow My Love. So that was my first anniversary. I remember it as well as it was yesterday. So, so exactly on the 24th of March last year, I created my channel, Glasgow My Love. It's pure special place, not a pure unique place. It's just Glasgow Uni. So I started my channel at University of Glasgow at the very campus at Gilmore Hill. So I'm going to make this channel thrive. I'm going to start podcasts with Glaswegians for me. So I hope that'll be cracking. So as I tell you, see us on the Saturday because I'm going to come in Celtic match. Have some Celtic stuff, alright? So the Glasgow Genuine, for the brilliant evening.